YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. And as y'all can see from the thumbnail and the title, I'm currently on my way to get an alignment for the M2 right now. I ain't gonna lie, this is definitely something I've been needing for a little minute now, because your boy is not straight. I don't know if you noticed, but my wheel kind of like turns to the left a little bit, but like the car will lean to the right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, it's definitely due for an alignment. Plus, I was supposed to get one once I put the lowering springs on, but your boy just never got to it, you know what I mean? So I'm currently on my way to the shop called Intrack. A lot of people recommended me this shop, so I'm about to go over there and see what that's about. But yeah, your boy about 20 minutes from this place, so feel me? I'm gonna pick up the camera when I reach over there, my boys. Yo, Chad, I'm actually very surprised. If y'all from New York, y'all know, like, normally there'd be mad traffic right here on the belt. Bro, there's no traffic. Everybody's flowing right now. But yeah, I'm about 17 minutes away from the spot. Oh, and if y'all notice, like, a couple days ago here in New York, it snowed. I ain't gonna lie, that shit was heavy. My car, I ain't gonna lie, I think I can drive the car in a couple days, because, you know, rear wheel drive manual in the snow. Yeah, so a car fake been sitting for a couple days. That's why I also ain't been pushing no content for it either. But we back, you know. That's what it is. It's fucking freezing outside though, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up the cam when I get to the spot though, for sure. My boys, I just currently got to the shop. It's currently 9:36. Got the M2 up there. I'll get an alignment on my shit. Yeah, we sturdy, we here. My boys, we just finished the alignment. That's how my shit was looking. But we sturdied it out, you see, all green. Do your homework on all green, my boys. I ain't gonna lie, bro, shout out Intrack, man. I ain't gonna lie, because I did come early. I was the first one in there, feel me? They took my car right in. They did that shit like 30 minutes. Not bad, bro, not bad. And my shit came out sturdy, and my shit feeling a lot straighter, my boys. I'm not gonna lie. So shout out to them. They really, you know what I'm saying, they really did their thing with this one. I ain't gonna lie. Sheesh. Soon we gonna be rich like that, chat, no worries. Oh yeah. Oh, this nigga just threw the shit out there. He didn't give no fucks. Alright, there's a couple things I gotta do today though. A couple errands I'ma run. Might link up with my boy J Bean. J been jugging. Do your homework on J been jugging in the GS300, nigga. 2 Jay-Z bangers. So I might link up with him, catch a little vid, you know what I'm saying? But that's about it. Yeah, we here. We here, chat. Alright, chat. So it's currently the next day. I ended up getting a wash yesterday, but that didn't come out too well, because whatchamacallit, fucking birds done violated my whole shit. The whole shit too. Yeah, everything else for the most part is pretty clean though. But yeah, it's a beautiful day here in New York though, definitely. It's like 50. What the fuck is that? Oh nah, that shit's stuck on there. Bombaclad. What the fuck? Ew. But nah, but what was I saying? It's about 50 something degrees out here, the sun out and shit. Young nigga glowing and shit. Do your homework. But yeah, that's what going on right now, boys. Yo, my fault, y'all. It looks like this video is fucking all over the place. I ain't gonna lie. But peep what I got with me here, though. You homework on X6M. Or is that X4? Oh, I can't even fucking see good. At least. Bomba! Yeah, facts. That was right. Do your homework on the gold X4M. I actually never seen it in this color before. That's actually mad crazy. It looked good though. Before I started recording, that nigga was coming down here shit, busting shots, boy. Oh yeah, he not playing. He getting straight to it. Okay. In the rain, he's whooping. He whooping. Do your homework on all-wheel drive. He's whooping, boy.
Kinda yo frog Italy, fuck and them don't study anything what we do. Man stay up on the grind, Black Lives Matter too. If it doesn't sweat, son, they got the 7.62. One team, so we stick to the mission like we glue. Bout them a kill man, no, them a Scooby-Doo. Love party and lime, so we not go wild you. Just can't find you. Can't tell the aliens we come down now. Hey, yo Jack, we keep praying for the blacks and the Benz and 10 bad bitches must get that and after man done. We stay posted by the trap, if we touch a million, left the pussy with the scraps. Belmont to the right and the race.
I'm not gonna lie to y'all, chat, though. The weather is dog shit out here. The weather is fucking dog shit. Rear wheel drive too. Do your homework though. Wait. Braking so hard on this corner, boy. I've been telling y'all, if y'all know how to steer, bro, there ain't no need for all this braking business. Look, we still braking on a corner and nobody in front. That's ridiculous, boy. Nah, boy. New York is really it's not real life. Sometimes you really gotta tell yourself, yo, bro, this not real life, man. We out here doing the overwhoop. Do your homework on the overwhoop. My thugs are the realist. Nah, bunch of shit in the road, boy. What's up? Bro, what the fuck, man? I don't know if the camera's doing any justice, but yo, just know it's fucking nasty out here, boy. Windows is fogging up and shit. Bombara. Fucking window wipers is on fucking turbo mode, nigga. Do your homework. Hold on, that Vibes cartel coming on there.